Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Clarity. My name is Sahil and this is the channel where we talk all about blockchain and cryptocurrency. So in today's video, we are going to talk about something that a lot of people starting in crypto space miss out on. This is the money flow of crypto and how to understand what's going on in the market and make your own thesis about your favorite cryptocurrencies. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. So this is a chart which was created by Rect Capital back in, and it got really famous, especially in the crypto sphere, where all of these coins are having different kind of assets and different kind of money flowing into them. But this basically put together a platform for people to understand how it works, how things go into the market, and how it revolves around different types of cryptocurrency. So this is something that tells you crypto money flow cycle. A shout out to Rect Capital. They have done really great work on this. They have also got a Substack which is linked in this tweet. I will link this tweet in the description as well for you to see, so that you can understand and create your own strategy based on this. So this is something that tells you that first of all, the crypto money which is created, all of the investment that comes is coming from fiat currencies, which is something like US dollars, Australian dollar, or anything that is used to invest in the cryptocurrency market. So first of all, it usually goes to Bitcoin, where Bitcoin holds a lot of crypto market cap. As we know, it's the biggest cryptocurrency in the market. Even now, it's around $2 trillion. So most of the capital sitting in Bitcoin is basically the whole crypto market, and the dominance of Bitcoin will always be high because it's the biggest asset on this asset class. So Bitcoin makes sense when people are putting money into Bitcoin. Is the first thing to do, usually where investors start to learn about this space, they get into Bitcoin, and that's where they put their money into. After that, when all of the things are done, they start getting returns on Bitcoin. Stuff like 100k Bitcoin happened. A lot of people took profits from it. They understood that, okay, this is the time to take profit because they must be holding from a long ago and their targets were reached. So they moved out of the Bitcoin positions and moved it into large caps, because that's when other large cap cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, BNB, all of those start running. So that's something that we saw in the past few weeks as well. Things like HBAR, those are big coins which already had a lot of volume, a lot of capital, like billions of dollars in them. So they were still safer than the other crypto coins which are lower market cap. So money moved into those large caps, and then as we go ahead in this market cycle, it will move into mid caps and low caps, which are the deep altcoins in this space where the risk is highest, and the risk will always be higher because they have low market cap. So even if you put few $1 million in them, the price will move higher because how it is designed, and the allocation to that will start increasing at that time. So this is something that a lot of people, if you are especially starting this crypto cycle for the first time, then you need to understand that this is the kind of flow that we see. Obviously this is not exactly what happens, but you will see this happening when your portfolio stays calm. You can look at this kind of chart and understand what's happening, because at the back end of the things, Bitcoin dominance is going lower, and then altcoins stay stable in that range, and then also they can increase when Bitcoin price is increasing, but dominance is getting lower. So all of these things matter a lot. I have talked about this in my newsletter as well. So that's so altcoins are still holding on to their value even with Bitcoin being volatile. We didn't see this all last year, all 2024. We didn't see this happening. Whenever Bitcoin price crashed, altcoins were moving more than Bitcoin's price crashed. So we saw that happening, and now it is not happening anymore because altcoins are holding steady. They are using their strength as well, because Bitcoin dominance is going lower. We saw Bitcoin hit almost 104 5,000 on one day, and there was a liquidation that happened. It sent Bitcoin to 94, almost 94,000, but it bounced back again. So this is something that we see happening in an uptrend in crypto market, where there will be liquidations happening the shorts and the long, people who are betting against Bitcoin, people who are betting on Bitcoin, they both get liquidated because that's how the market works. It's the fastest market in asset classes out there. It works 24/7. So, that's the beauty of crypto market that people enjoy as well, but it also fakes them out, makes them think more than, putting a bet on it. Rather than putting a bet on it, I put a spot Bitcoin position. That would be easier for me, and that's what I did the whole last year. I didn't trade because I think investing is better. Obviously, not financial advice. It comes down to every individual and their situation. So you have to make clear of your own situation, that are you a trader or a long-term investor. So that will really help you in the long term. And if you are starting out for the first time, this is something that you need to get your eyes on. All of these trends, all of these charts, they might see overwhelming at the start, but once you start learning about them, you do a fundamental analysis of the market, then you get to understand that okay, the general uptrend is there, but there will be volatility in this market because that's the fastest growing market as well. So there will be opportunities to buy, there will be opportunities to sell, but you have to keep your targets and mind settled on that. And that's the kind of stuff I talk about on Crypto Clarity Substack as well. I will link that in the description, so make sure that you are subscribed, because I'm putting out a handmade letter in the times of AI where everything is AI generated. I try to keep this as human as possible, put my thoughts in there every week so that you can understand what I am looking at and make sense out of that market data for yourself. And that's the goal with this Crypto Clarity Substack letter, newsletter as well, and my YouTube channel as well. So if you're not subscribed till now, make sure that you get subscribed and put that notification bell on so that you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.